So you've taken apart your lights, you've done whatever mod it is you needed to do, and you want to put it together. So what's next? This part is pretty easy. It's the same as taking it apart, just reversed. So like before, you're going to preheat your oven to anywhere between 200 to 250. We like to do 220 or ish to be safe, but it really depends on what adjustability your oven has. So we're going to do 220. We're going to set it, and then go ahead and put the lights back in. So depending on how you have your light built and the heat resistance of the materials you use, you either want to put only the lens in or the housing in. In this case, I know that these materials are good, so I'm going to be putting both in. And wait about 5-10 minutes before pulling it out. So now we take it out of the oven. And very, very carefully, while trying to do this while everything is still hot, place the lens over the light. So in some cases, you may want to add more sealant to reseal it. In this case, we're not going to because of demonstration purposes. But now we're going to press in everything very gingerly as everything is a bit hot. And if the light has been heated enough, this part should be very, very easy. Ooh, hot. So, you can see that the tab is now back in, as well as here. And the light is reassembled. So, that's how you take apart most pre-2000s taillights. This is a post-2000 taillight. But yeah, that's more or less how you do it. So I'll see you around, guys.